Alright, so this is going to be not really a video to see by, but to hear by, I guess. I'm in my 91 Rx7. I just drove it Wednesday. It's now Saturday night. I haven't driven it since then. It was running fine back then. I got out today and was going to drive it, and it sounds awkward. It doesn't really crank up. I'm about to try it again so you can hear it. So, neutral. Our emergency brake pulled up. You can't really see nothing in here. Hold on. You know what? This might help. Nope, not really. Still can't see nothing. Okay, so here it goes. Cranking up. That's my gauge. I know it says I don't have any gas, but my gas gauge isn't working anyway. And I know I have gas. Here we go. That's all I get. I'm gonna try it again from outside the car so you can hear it. So that's all I get. If you have any ideas on what it could be, please let me know.